Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ask a question on Instagram stories. For this, first of all, you just have to go for the story section. Like you just have to swipe to the right side like this. And now in the story section, you can tap on this to create a story, or you can import from your gallery as well. So in my case, I'm going for this gallery, and then I am selecting this picture, like for example this picture for the tutorial. And then to enable this ask mode, ask sticker, we just need to go this sticker section here, and we need to find ask a question. So as you can see, this second line option questions. So if you tap on this, you can see this window will pop up for you, ask me a question. So now you can write anything like whatever you want. So I'm going for this how was day as an example, and you can also change the colors, or you can also change the font as well. As you can see, you can change the color of this question as well, and you can drag it to anywhere. And now if you just tap on this upload your story, so let's check it after uploading the story. As you can see, it's now uploaded. So now people can reply me with this question. They will type here this kind of answers, and when they will tap on this send, you will receive the answers of the question. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can ask a questions on Instagram stories. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.